Igbo mulu nze n'ọzọ, ekele m unu. Why is it that DSS, NDLEA, and EFCC are not asking Southeastern youths to join them? It is always Nigerian Army and Nigerian Police asking Southeastern youths to join them. I really need to know why. Many Southeastern youths would gladly join DSS, NDLEA, and EFCC, but the opportunities are not coming. We need forms for DSS, NDLEA, EFCC in the Southeast. Yes. Who no like better thing? It's not every time join army, join police, join army. We want to also join DSS, NDLEA, EFCC. But the opportunities are not coming. They are not coming. So our Southeastern leaders, please make this possible. Make it possible. Aburogobona, join army, join police, join army, join police. We also want to join DSS, NDLEA, EFCC. Okwa mmadụ ka anyị bụ. Anyị abụrụ bushmeat for ụmụazị ndị Boko.